What if I told you the purest driver's car in the world is about to go electric, but somehow it might actually get better? This is the rumoured 2027 Mazda MX-5 Miata. And trust me, this changes everything. For decades, the Miata has been all about one thing: lightweight, simple and fun. No crazy horsepower, no unnecessary tech, just you and the road. But now, in 2027, Mazda is reportedly taking a bold step. A fully redesigned Miata, possibly electrified, and way more futuristic than ever before. Let's talk about the design first, because this thing looks insane. From the front, you immediately notice how clean and minimal it is. No aggressive grille, no fake vents, just a smooth, almost EV-like face. The headlights, slim, futuristic LED strips, giving it that premium, almost concept car vibe. Now move to the side. This is where it still screams Miata. You've got that classic long hood, short rear proportions, but now with a much more muscular and planted stance. And the rear, super clean. A full width LED light bar with those signature circular elements. It's modern, but still respects the Miata DNA. Inside, Mazda keeps things driver focused. No overcomplicated screens. No unnecessary clutter. You get a clean dashboard, a floating infotainment display, and everything angled slightly toward the driver. The seats? Sporty bucket seats with premium materials, and yes, still designed for pure driving connection. Even in an electrified future, Mazda's clearly trying to keep that Jinba Itai philosophy alive. Now here's where things get interesting. Rumours suggest that the 2027 Miata could come in two versions. First, a lightweight hybrid setup. Possibly a small one, 5L or 2.0L engine paired with an electric motor. Estimated output around 180 to 220 horsepower. Still light, still fun, but quicker than ever. And then the big one, a fully electric Miata. Now before you panic, Mazda is reportedly working on keeping the weight down, which is the most important thing. We're talking around 250 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, and instant torque. 0-60, likely in the low 5-second range. Not crazy fast, but exactly what a Miata should be. Balanced, playful, and engaging. So how much will this cost? Well, based on current trends, the hybrid version could start around $32,000 to $38,000, while the full EV version might push closer to $40,000 plus. Still relatively affordable, especially for a next-gen sports car. Now, let's talk competition. The Miata has always been in a unique position, but in 2027, it could go up against Toyota GR86, Subaru BRZ, and even future compact EV sports cars. But here's the thing, none of them truly capture what the Miata is about. Lightweight feel, perfect balance, pure driving joy. And if Mazda pulls this off with electrification, it might dominate this segment again. At the end of the day, this isn't just about specs, it's about feeling. And if Mazda can deliver an electrified Miata that still feels alive, still feels connected, then this could be one of the most important sports cars of the decade. So yeah, the 2027 Mazda Miata might not just survive the electric era, it might define it.